This is the news that many have awoken to this morning, November the 6th, 2022, as it relates to dancehall entertainer Spice. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and when we return, we'll have the full and exclusive details of this to come on the program. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk. This is the place where we discuss issues of national importance, global importance, or the situations that are buzzing in the news. Grace Hamilton, stage name Spice, is a name that has been trending on social media since the start of the week, ending up even up until this day, as many fans and friends of the dancehall queen, superstar, international recording artist Spice believe that something is definitely wrong with the DJ. So as news of this started to spread online, many did their own investigation in order to ascertain what is really wrong with the dancehall entertainer. There still have not been any official word from the team of Spice. Only his booking agent came out last week in order to give an update in relation to the case and dispelling the rumors that has been circulating online. However, as the days goes by, the rumors seem to be forming more and more as it relates to the truth of what really transpired to the dancehall entertainer. As you know, Grace Hamilton is a hardcore dancehall DJ who have cemented herself not only locally but also on the international space and have been one of Jamaica's most premier figure for the last few years as it relates to a female in the dancehall business. But all I can say is that what happened to the dancehall entertainer, if anything, we're just hoping for a speedy recovery, and there have been numerous reports being published online as it relates to her health, as some time ago it stated that within the 24-hour period her health had deteriorated, and yesterday we got some real good news that the entertainer is awake and alert. So we just continue to track this story and just provide you with what is going on in relation to this. But Spice is a real fighter, and I believe that if anything happened to Spice, she's not gonna just give up like this. Spice has been always out there and has been a trending name in social media. Many believe that this is actually a publicity stunt, which I doubt totally, because I believe Spice would not want people to be talking such things about her and not give a word as it relates to what has been going on in her musical career and also with the rumors circulating online. Her absence from social media has caused this to trigger more speculation as fans and friends become more and more worried as the day goes by. This is based on the fact that the rumor has been circulating that Spice went to did a cosmetic surgery, and due to post-surgical procedure she actually suffered some medical emergency which have not yet been ascertained or confirmed by her team. So this is what caused people to be talking all over social media, even though what has been circulating on social media has not yet been confirmed or denied by the team of Spice. But this is based on previous things that people have seen happen to different individuals who went to Dominican Republic in order to carry out such procedures and they do not return home. So that is why people are so concerned about what is actually taking place with the dancehall DJ. Grace Latoya Hamilton, more professionally known as Spice, is the Jamaican dancehall recording artist, singer, songwriter, and businesswoman. She is often cited as the queen of the dancehall. Spice is recognized as one of the most prominent dancehall artists in the world as a female DJ. She also had a short stint on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, which she brought her style and craft to the game. She was born on August 6, 1982 and is actually age 40. She had a recent Grammy Award nomination for Best Reggae Album in the category. Over the years, dancehall entertainer Spice, internationally acclaimed, was also one of those international females to broke on the scene and cemented herself as a household name not only in Jamaica but on the international dancehall space. Over the years as well, Spice have done significant transformation to her looks and also her appearance in order to fit in with the upper class of the dancehall realm world of the music itself. So this was what Spice looked like when she just entered into dancehall. However, over the years, significant transformation have been made. This is what Spice look like in the current era of the dancehall industry. So this is not no strange news to many, as many have known for a long time that Spice did some work on her body.
But I want you with me. What time it is about you, you know? Well, we know we can't really walk and wind up in the sheet, and that is right.
But as you know, Spice is a DJ that is always open about her life, and if anything had happened to her, she will actually give a statement when she is feeling much better. But based on this report now, it's actually been confirmed that something definitely happened to the dancehall entertainer. We are not sure whether or not she suffered a minor heart attack. At one point in time, it was reported that the international superstar was actually in a coma and not responding. So there have been so much speculation going on online as it relates to what transpired, and I believe that this is just being fueled by what is being portrayed in media. However, something is actually going on. Yesterday, I saw a number of reports as well coming outside of different aspects of social media stating that they were trying to stabilize her to seek medical treatment in the United States based on the fact that she's actually in Dominican Republic, where the medical care is limited to some extent. The last time I spoke to a family member on Friday, everyone sounded positive. No one sounded nervous or worried. They said that she woke up and is alert. They said that she's also getting stronger each day. The family is asking for prayers at this time, a source close to the family told reporters. The source did not reveal details of the ordeal that Spice is going through. However, there have been rumors circulating on social media that the dancehall artist was in a coma following a post-surgery complication, and the rumor which her booking agents have totally denied. As Spice's medical situation improved overnight, friends and family have begun rallying to her side or posting encouraging messages on Instagram. I am glad that she's doing better. I spoke to her sister in New York, and she told me that she spoke to Grace and that she was doing much better, even though she was having some complication, but she's feeling much better. But she's not out of the woods yet. Her younger sister is reportedly in Dominica by Grace's side as this ordeal unfolds. Spice's former spiritual advisor RT Boss hopped onto a plane to the Dominican Republic last night. He posted a heartfelt message on his Instagram minutes before boarding the flight to the Spanish-speaking country. I know you're worried about this diagnosis, but you have always been a fighter. You're the bravest person I know, and you'll get through this. I have faith in you, he wrote on his Instagram page. A number of other individuals in the dancehall space have been making similar posts on their social media platform, including former friend and co-worker The Angel, Pampute, just to name a few. So as this spread on social media, many fans are becoming worried as it relates to the safety and well-being of Spice, as now it has been confirmed that something has been definitely happening in the life of Spice, even though many are still in doubt about the whole entire situation. Some fans on social media are still of the opinion that this was just a publicity stunt for an upcoming song, as some are believing that there is something actually happening in the life of Spice, and they are becoming more and more worried each day. Spice's given name is Grace Hamilton. She is known for her songs including Bubble It, Some Me Like It, and monster hit Rampin' Shop, which features the incarcerated dancehall star Vybz Kartel. However, Spice's team today declined to respond to requests for a comment on the issue. So this is what is causing the whole entire situation to boil out of control on social media, based on the fact that Spice have not provided an official statement as it relates to her health, and she has been absent from the whole social media space, unlike Spice to do such a thing. As you know, Spice has always been posting on her social media, giving fans some daily update as to what her life is like and what she has been up to in her musical career. So for the past few days, Spice have been totally absent from social media, and this was what either triggered the speculation that something is wrong with the dancehall entertainer, or someone might have leaked some information to the media. But all I can say, we are not confirming this information at this point in time, and we are not denying it as well, because we have not received an official report from the team of Spice, but there have been mounting concern triggering this week. So during the course of this week, a number of close associates to the dancehall entertainer Spice, including fellow co-workers and actually close friends, have been making some unusual posts on their social media platform. So this has caused the situation to spiral out of control, and many fans now are becoming worried about the safety and actually the well-being of the dancehall entertainer, based on the fact that it has been reported that she is actually in Dominican Republic and is not in good health. So Spice One's music partner and friend The Angel made a post on her social media platform and sent Spice her love. So The Angel Music wrote, "Where do I start?" with a crying emoji. "A lot has been circulated in the media, but I'm here to say that the devil is a liar. So whatever you're going through, just know that God is in control and you will pull through, Gracie," with an emoji. Let's all stop what we're doing right now and pray for Gracie's speedy recovery back to normality. Lord, remember her kids depend on her. I can't imagine what they would do without her. No one should be judging or condemning at this time because we're all human and anything can happen to anyone. Let's just all use kind words and continue to pray for Grace Hamilton, aka Spice. Hashtag no worries, hashtag gotta deal with everything. So that was an official post from dancehall entertainer, one's friend and also co-worker within the music space, dancehall recording artist The Angel, sending Spice her love. A number of close friends to the dancehall entertainer and also fellow co-workers within the music space have made similar posts on their social media platform, and this has caused so many fans to become more and more worried about Spice's health at this point in time. All I can say that whatever has happened to Spice, if something have happened, I just want to wish her a speedy recovery and all the best. And we at Links 007 TV will continue just to provide you with the latest update that we have to bring to you. But Spice, we wish you a speedy recovery, and Spice have everyone prayers right now as we try to get to the bottom of what is really going on and wait from an official report as to what happened to Spice or whether her health has actually deteriorated within the past 24 hours has been reported on a number of social media sites right now, and this has not yet been confirmed by her team, as Spice has remained silent on the matter, and we have not received any official report of Spice being in the hospital or whether or not she is actually been in a coma or whether or not she had a heart attack. So these are some of the things that has been circulating online. We just want to wish you all the best, Spice, and hope for a speedy recovery. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Peace out, and if it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.